Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing some skincare tips for you guys on 2 ingredient / skincare product types that I believe you should start using in your 20s as soon as possible for your anti-aging skincare journey. Without further ado, of course, I want to say that this video is kindly supported by Skin Store, which is a skincare providing website with over 300 brands on it, which has been in operation for 20 years, plus selling both Western skincare brands as well as some of my favorite Korean skincare brands. So if you don't already know who they are, you can check them out in the description box down below. And of course, I have a discount code for you guys that gives you 25% off. So make sure you check that out if you want a little bit of a discount. Today's brands that I'm going to be featuring is one of my top Korean skincare roadshop brands, Tony Moly. But before we dive into the specific products of the video, I want to talk a little more about the skincare ingredients that I believe are super important for you to start using ASAP if you're in your 20s. Now, this is based off my personal experience as someone who has actively been using a 10-step inspired Korean skincare routine since they were 22. And these are some of the ingredients I wish I knew about when I was younger. Now, the first ingredient that I want to talk about is one that's really popular and has been trending for a while now, and that is hyaluronic acid. If you're not already familiar with what hyaluronic acid is, it is a molecule used in skincare ingredients that holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water. So essentially what that does for the skin is it pulls moisture and water out from the air and the skincare ingredients that you layer on top to deliver up to 1,000 times its weight in hydration, essentially. Now, this is only an ingredient that I learned about probably when I was 24 or 25, but I wish I knew about it sooner because the younger your skin is, the less likely it is to be lacking in nourishment and more so lacking in hydration. And a lot of people that experience dry skin-like symptoms at a young age are actually dehydrated. And these are some things that drinking up to 8 glasses of water a day don't always help out. Me, speaking from personal experiences, I used to drink well over 8 glasses of water a day when I was younger, and it didn't always help my skin because my skin was dehydrated more so on a surface level rather than my body internally being dehydrated. There are a ton of great ways that you can get hyaluronic acid into your skincare routine, and one of my favorites for giving my skin a really intense boost in hydration, especially before an event or hanging out for a girl's day, for example, or even a date, is to use a sheet mask. Now, I love hyaluronic acid based sheet masks. They really give you the maximum amount of hydration and hyaluronic acid that your skin can get in one sitting. This is the Master Lab sheet mask with hyaluronic acid included in it and a ton of amazing ingredients that help to amplify the benefits of hyaluronic acid. So if you want to get that intensive boost of hydration for your skin, definitely try out some hyaluronic acid sheet masks or incorporate a hyaluronic acid serum into your routine to help give yourself not only daily hydration, but also a little treatment hydration in there. One of the skincare ingredients that I wish I knew about early on, especially when I had acne-prone skin, is snail ferment, or simply just snail mucin extract. Now, you might be thinking, if you haven't heard of that ingredient before, yuck, why would I want to put snail on my face? And hold on, before you freak out, don't worry, snail mucin extract is actually extracted by allowing snails to climb over sanitized glass, and the mucin that they excrete is scraped off in a sanitary situation and utilized in skincare. No snails are harmed in the process of this skincare ingredient, which is one thing that I absolutely love. But why would we want to put snail mucin on our face? Great question. The reason why it's such an amazing product for anti-aging to start using in your early 20s is simply because not only it's extremely lightweight and doesn't clog the pores whatsoever, but snail mucin simply repairs skin cells. Now imagine you're a snail and you're all day crawling over dirt and gravel with your little tiny sensitive body. You can imagine that they would probably get a ton of scratches and micro tears if they didn't have some sort of defensive layer to protect their skin. That's where Snail Mucin comes in. It works to actively create a protective layer on the snails, but it also works to instantly and effectively repair themselves from any damage that they do obtain from sliding over rocks all day. What this does for us as humans on our skin topically is it helps stimulate our skin cells to repair faster. So if you have dry skin, dehydrated skin, sensitive skin, if you suffer from anything like eczema, psoriasis, or what is really good to know is if you suffer from acne, Snail Mucin actually works to stimulate your skin to repair itself naturally with the enhanced benefits and assistance of Snail Mucin. Now, this ingredient was specifically popular back when I was in maybe my mid-20s, a few years ago, maybe like 5 or 6 years ago. It started trending because so many people who suffered with acne needed that kind of assistance to help their skin repair itself. And Snail Mucin and fermented Snail Mucin worked to not only help Snail Mucin repair and recover those skin cells that were damaged from acne, pimples, and all that stuff, but it also, being fermented, helped to intensify those benefits, specifically with amplifying antioxidants existing within the skincare products in Snail Mucin, helping to amplify the skin to produce more collagen and so many more things. So when Snail Mucin is put through a fermentation process, it basically doubles, triples, however many times amplifies the effects of Snail Mucin in your skincare products. Now, Snail Mucin is often categorized as an anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, and firming ingredient, but what makes it suitable for you in your 20s is that it is so lightweight, it's not going to clog the pores, feel heavy on the skin, or simply weigh your skin down like other anti-aging, anti-wrinkle products might do for someone who is in their early 20s. That is why I wish I knew about Snail Mucin and fermented products when I was in my early 20s. I suffered with acne so much that I needed the help that I could get, but I just didn't know then. I didn't know. So I hope that this can help you guys out to find the perfect skincare routine for your skin in your early 20s. And even if you don't have damaged skin, you don't have acne, you don't have dry skin, still start using Snail Mucin products in your routine because they are going to help you prevent getting those wrinkles earlier in life compared to people who don't use them. So if you start incorporating Snail Mucin, hyaluronic acid, and fermented skincare ingredients into your early 20s skincare routine, you're going to see amazing results later on down the road. When all your friends are turning 30, and you're turning 30 with them, trust me, you're gonna get compliments on your skin. That's one thing, now that I'm 28, I can say without a doubt, I am so happy I started using Korean skincare and Korean inspired skincare ingredients in my routine from a young age, because now I'm almost 30 and I'm always getting compliments on my skin from my friends. So start early, you guys, you will not regret it. There, of course, are snail ferment products that I personally think are amazing for people in their 20s. That is the 𝘠𝘰𝘠𝘠𝘠 Timeless Fermented Snail Essence. This not only contains snail ferment in the top list of ingredients, but it also contains additional ingredients that are going to help amplify the effects of Snail Mucin throughout your skin without being super heavy. This is actually a great product to start using throughout the daytime as your day cream, and that's actually how I've been using it ever since I started trying it out. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin. It's perfect for me with dehydrated dry skin throughout the summer season when normally I'm a little more oily. This is the perfect heaviness on my skin to give me that hydration and nourishment that I need without weighing me down or making me look greasy throughout the day. I've also been using the 𝘠𝘰𝘠𝘠𝘠 Timeless Ferment Snail Cream as my night cream of choice throughout the summer season. This product is just heavy enough for my skin at nighttime throughout the summer without weighing me down or clogging the pores, while still giving me the benefits of Snail Mucin and fermented products to help lift, tone, tighten, and nourish my skin without being too much in the summer season. On top of that, I do, unfortunately, being older, suffer with dry under eye area. I love using hydrogel masks. This one contains, of course, the Snail Mucin ferment extract, which helps to firm and tighten the under eye area without being heavy. And if you've tried eye creams or eye products before and I don't know if you guys have experienced this as well, but sometimes those eye creams can just travel throughout the night and get into your eyes, and it's just totally uncomfortable. This doesn't do that. It hydrates the skin. It even contains super gentle ingredients that are going to help with the anti-aging around the eye area, help to de-swell, depuff the eyes while staying lightweight and gentle at the same time. If you are in your early 20s or your mid 20s, let me know in the comment section down below if you've actually tried some of these skincare ingredients before. Let me know. I would be super curious to find out what kind of ingredients you guys are using in your early skincare routine. Let me know. Otherwise, do make sure you check out the Skin Store if you want to try out these products for yourself, as I do have that awesome 25% discount code for you guys, so you can get a little bit of dollars off on your order from the Skin Store. And of course, if you want to see more videos from me, I do upload weekly on this channel skincare reviews, skincare routine videos, skincare tips, makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, and I also do fashion and styling videos where I try on some of my favorite clothes for you guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe button right down there and the notification bell with the all options selected, or YouTube will not be so kind to let you guys know when I upload videos. So make sure you hit that notification bell to ensure that YouTube actually tells you that I uploaded a video. And if you're not already following me on my Instagram account, wherever it is on this screen, make sure you're following me there. I post daily there. I also post stories on what I get up to throughout my day-to-day life as I live in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. I love posting aesthetic stuff, so you can always catch up with me there if you're not already following. Otherwise, I love you all so much. Good luck with your skincare, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!